My brain wasn't working for a second there. It took me much longer than expected to colour in a button. Hello, Ultima, anyway. I thought you didn't watch streams of people who didn't have webcams. Whoa, what is this? Although, I'm not wearing... What? I have no idea what I was about to say. I think my brain decided I was going to say I'm not wearing any clothes. But that would be a lie. Actually, so that still works. Hopefully. Yeah, that one works. Nice. You'll make an exception for me. I feel so happy. Gosh. So am I. Whoa, that looks weird. I like it. It looks very stupid. Exactly what I need. Grey. I'm not doing this by any means in an efficient way, but I don't care. So, what am I doing now? This is the sub menu. And can I get no? So I have an rifle gamepad, okay. But that's private. Well then. Problem solved. What is this? I've never listened to the entire of this playlist before, only a few of them. And there are some songs that I really like, and other ones I look at and think, okay. Well then. There is, I don't know, mechanics behind a game. But there's no actual there's no game really to play at the moment. And it's very rough and cut at the moment. So there's mechanics and support for gamepads and stuff like this, wall jumping, just basic platforming mechanics. Whatever, except I haven't done any sort of animation interpolation or anything. Oh my god, the frame rate. That's not even. No, that's not the frame rate. That's UPS. What's going on with the UPS? Jesus. Maybe it's fine. Maybe I'm just an idiot. It does look like. No, the frame rate's fine. But yeah, that's basically the stage it's at the moment. And if it was just a menu, okay. No. I got at least a tiny bit of the game mechanics in before I wanted to get menus up and running. It's just that at the beginning of every launch, I have to initialize the controller profile by filling in button by button which one's which one's this. When did this game turn 3D? It's been a while. I've learnt a little bit of OpenGL, well, the Java port, Joggle, and currently using LWJGL to make this in. And I just decided, you know what, port it to 3D, why not? And at some stage I'll get some lovely fancy 3D models as well, and it will look lovely. Of course, some of the functionality isn't in that was in the last game, so at the moment there's no grappling hooks, but that will be a thing. I'm going to re-add grappling hooks back in, hopefully quite soon. But like I was saying just a minute ago, the problem is every launch, because I have to re-enter every single button on the controller so it knows which button corresponds with which action or whatever. And that just gets tedious and annoying. And I already know how I will go around having it save the controller profiles. It's just I want to have some UI, something front end that I can look at to set up the controllers with. So what I really want is just something at the moment which quite simply lists all the controllers in the setup list. No? Okay. There we go. Also, if the music is ridiculously loud or my mic is ridiculously loud or anything like that, feel free to yell at me. Everything sounds fine. Cool. Actually, there is one thing thinking about it now. One thing that really annoys me currently. I assume you know about fixed function, and I've forgotten the name of the other one. The old fixed function pipeline and the newer version that I can't remember the name of, to do OpenGL Ultima. One thing that annoys me is that there's so little tutorial or anything like that to learn the new fixed function pipeline for LWJGL, so So all of this is fixed function pipeline. I keep saying fixed function when I don't mean it. There's so little tutorial for the newer open pipeline. I think that's what they call it, open pipeline. But there's nothing for the... So... There is nothing... I need to stop. I need to stop typing. Multitasking is not good. There is nothing for the open pipeline, but so it is very difficult to actually do anything in it, and I keep having problems that I can never get fixed. There you go. Boom. DirectX 9 fixed function, DirectX 11. Nice. I kind of lost patience with DirectX. Well, the reason I lost patience was because JPanels were so ridiculously inefficient, and there's no way to basically, or there's no way I know of currently in Java to say, hey, you know what, stop using the processor now, use the GPU so I can do all these lighting calculations, things like that faster. Nope. Not allowed to do any of that. So that just annoyed me. And then I realised, wait a second, OpenGL? Whoa, you can do a lot of things there. Even though I can't really reap? I don't know the word. Even though I can't really benefit from it because fixed function pipeline... Blech. I'd love to be able to use the other one, but don't really have a choice. Hey Chatmaster, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Actually, I haven't seen anyone in a while, for that matter. I've been MIA. So I think... No, I have to do that. Is this then? Controller... Lighting's why you're doing it. God damn it. Lighting would be cool. Then an OpenGL got halfway through a book, code wasn't working, then I found the author online saying his code doesn't work, and skip over A, B, and C. Well, that sounds fun. To enter DirectX. Books? What are you talking about? Books are great! Some of them. Actually, there is a really bloody good book that I was using, although I don't know where it is. Do I have to stand up? I can see it, except it's on the other side of the room, so I have to do some weird stretch thing without having to take my headset off, and I don't think I can reach. Oh no, I reached. It's a lovely little book. Granted, I haven't worked through all of it. Worked through the majority of it, though. Although very dated now. Uses Java 3D. Ugh. Although I think Java 3 is actually a fork of Juggle. I could be wrong, so don't go at me on that. But I think so. What's it called? It's called Killer Game Programming in Java by Andrew Davison. And it's it's alright. The problem I have with online learning is there are so many crap sources. There are some amazing ones, but they're very, very hard to come by. Or I find that they are, at least. That's bizarre. Oh. There we go, that's what I was looking for. See, I'm not paying that much attention. Which is bad. Let's start it at 90. Let's go for that. What is this? This looks... Oh, it is. I was about to say, this looks like some old music, and yeah, it is. Damn. 2011. 2011 is... Ugh. God damn it, that was 3 years ago. So long ago, but it feels like it wasn't, because it really wasn't, and everybody keeps telling me it was so long ago, even though it wasn't. So get name 7:15. Yeah. And I also find as well that there are some weird, stupid things that I like to do in Java, or in actually any programming language for that matter, that nobody else seems to do at all. And I'm just sitting here by myself thinking, oh, okay. I like to do things in very abstract ways. Like this font, the font system that I'm using, just because I just couldn't figure out a better way online because there were so many guff sources. And then I basically just decided, hey, I'll just make my own font system, so I just read from a PNG, which is just holds the alphabet, and then it just generates 3D cubes for the text. So everything in this game is in 3D. But other textures, of course, but I don't know, I could do 3D textures, I'm not going to, but I could. Oh.
We're here for the first day of IFA 2014
What is this?
in Berlin, Germany.
This is why AdBlock is good. Except I don't like AdBlock. So don't bother with it. Model. Okay, let's see what breaks. And oh, that's never a good thing. Oh dear. Oh dear. That's... Oh, it's terrible. Well then. So I think... Actually, I should probably bring that up. Let's have a look. No? Okay. I thought I was running low on memory. No? I don't remember getting a problem like this last time when I tried to strain it. I just kept getting it over and over and over again, and the problem was fine when I did it off. Well, the problem basically just disappeared when I did it offline. You know, just get rid of this for now. Is it a problem with setup, or is it a problem with... What is the problem with? Okay. I'm going to quickly try, just to make sure, I'm going to try shutting down the stream and bring it back up, just to make sure that it's not to do with that.